Hey, what's up guys? It's Adam here with Unreal Illustrations, and today we're going to be drawing Cyborg. I wasn't actually going to make a video today, but I was feeling a little bit inspired after getting some really awesome feedback from one of my favorite YouTubers. The box office artist gave me some really good advice on just YouTube in general and what I should be doing on my channel, and I just want to have fun. But the main thing I want to show is that anybody can draw, no matter what skill type, no matter how old you are. You could just start. You can do whatever you want in this world. I started drawing about 10 months ago, and so far I've actually come a long way. I was drawing stick figures, believe it or not, when I first started out. I still do it sometimes, just not gonna post them. I really like that I've developed myself as an artist. I've worked on my skills a lot more, and I can honestly say that I've had some comic book artists acknowledge my work. It's not much. It's just like, oh, this is cool, this is awesome, that kind of stuff. I like to do a lot of fan art, so when it gets noticed, it's really cool. I posted a picture on my Vero when it first came out, and it was a fan art of Kingdom Come, and Alex Ross liked it. That was really cool. If you guys have ever read the comic Curse Words, I did a fan art of the first page. I redrew the entire first page, and I tagged the artist in it, the actual creator. He's really nice. He just left me a quick comment, but it made my day. It's something I still remember this day. I realized that as an artist, sometimes when your work isn't getting realized, or you're not getting feedback, or you're not getting a lot of positive reinforcement, you can get discouraged. But I just want to let you know that even if your stuff isn't getting the best feedback right now, if you love it and you think it's great, you should post it, because chances are there's going to be someone out there who thinks your work is awesome. And I'm just saying, I've checked out a couple of people's work who've liked my stuff, and you guys are amazing artists. There's so many cool people on YouTube. Oh my gosh. I would love to do a collab sometime. So if any of you artists out there want to do a collab video, DM me with an idea. All right. So I know I said I was gonna show you guys how to draw for this video, but I really just wanna talk to you guys about the channel and what it's gonna be. I'm thinking about just posting videos every day, a new sketch every day. But once a week, I want to do at least one tutorial and one vlog. I'm going to do a vlog tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you guys about my first week on YouTube. So stay tuned. If there's any aspiring artists who want to get some feedback on their work, just tag me in it on Instagram. It's adam.bart. I'm not the best, but I would love to see your guys' work. Alright, until the next video, guys, have an awesome day, and please like and subscribe.